Google and Apple are kinda like friends now when it comes to sharing. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. Google announced that its Pixel 10 series phones can now use Android Quick Share to send files directly to iPhones, iPads, and Macs via AirDrop. While currently limited to the Pixel 10, Google says it's working to expand this cross-platform magic to more devices. According to Google, this breakthrough was done entirely on their own without Apple doing anything. Alex Moroki said, "We accomplished this through our own implementation," adding that the feature was evaluated by Google's privacy and security teams and even tested by a third-party security firm. In easy words, Apple wasn't invited to the party. Well, here's how it works. Apple users must set AirDrop visibility to anyone for 10 minutes, while Pixel users enable Quick Share to see the Apple device and send files as usual. It works both ways, so Android devices can now receive files from Apple gadgets too, only if Quick Share visibility is enabled. What remains murky is Apple's response. Will they treat Google's update as a security breach and issue a software update to block it? Or will they finally embrace cross-platform sharing after years of rivalry? The tech world is holding its breath. For now, Pixel 10 owners can freely shoot videos, photos, and files towards Apple devices without third-party apps. It's a major convenience win for users stuck between big techs, but it also got a potential for another Apple versus Google showdown. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider.